Hey guys, it's Jordan here, and today you're going to be getting ready with me for absolutely no reason at all. So yeah guys, today I am it's Saturday, I'm just chilling, going to film a few videos, so I thought I might as well film myself getting ready, so that's what I'm going to be doing. But before I get into the video guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to be part of the JustJordy fam. And now that that's over, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so like I'm really bad at these like get ready with me type videos because like editing wise I don't want them to be super long, and so I end up just like fast forwarding through most of it. But I'll do my best. Okay. First, moisturizing with this Pond's dry skin cream. So yeah, it's gonna. I have really dry skin, especially like around my mouth. So moisturizing is a must. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, I have to moisturize. At nighttime, I moisturize. Just anytime I get a chance, I moisturize. So my hair looks a mess right now, guys. Let me tell you what I plan on today filming. This Get Ready With Me. I'm gonna film a back to school curly hairstyle video because my last curly hairstyle video was like 2 years ago. So I'm gonna film one of those. And then I need to do homework, so I think I'm gonna film like a how to ace your online classes possibly, because that's what I'm doing. I'm doing my online class homework, and then I may film a how I take notes, and then that's probably it. I think I had one more, but that's probably it. But I don't know. Today's Saturday and it's Labor Day weekend, so I have Sunday and Monday to do stuff. So I think I'm just gonna do some of my notes today, because the notes that I want y'all to see me doing is my biology notes. But today I have to do my business analysis notes, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna prime. Sometimes I moisturize and I don't prime, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do both. And I'm just gonna use the Infallible and the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock primer, and I mix and match like all the time. Like obviously I moisturize and then I'll use like a matte primer, but then use like a dewy concealer. I mean a dewy finish foundation, because I just like the natural. I don't like to be matte, but I find that using a matte primer and a dewy foundation is like a good combination for me, because dewy foundation sometimes they like slide around and they make me look oily in the middle of the day. But if I use it with a matte foundation, then, or a matte primer, then that doesn't happen. So, and I really just prime like my T-zone, like right here. And then also my laugh lines, because the creasing is real right there, and it gets kind of oily right there too. I was reading the Spanish version. I'm in the color Cocoa. And so I just apply that all over my face until I look like a tiger. Then I'm gonna take first my Real Technique sponge and just blend that, like dab it into my skin. Now that that's done, we're gonna conceal with the Holy Grail Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. Now I'm gonna go in with another one of those L'Oreal Infallible foundation sticks in the color Espresso. I'm just gonna use this to contour. I love using this to contour because it's super creamy. Now I'm going to go in the powder. Today I'm going to be using the Milani translucent setting powder. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to go in and powder contour, set my contour. I really look like I'm about to go somewhere. That's funny. Okay, that's that. For highlight, I'm going to use my Becca Topaz highlight. I used this like junior year, and then I discovered Champagne Pop, so then I stopped using this because Champagne Pop was like more blinding. And then I recently like rediscovered this and fell in love with it again. So I've just started using it back. And then I'm just gonna set it with this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist with rose water. I've been using this lately. Doesn't really set your face, but it gives me like a nice dewy finish. And it's good for your skin in general. And then I just like to go on my sponge and just pat everything so it's super blended. So yeah, that's literally all for this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.